Hello everyone. Today we will practice factorizing expressions. Let's have a look at example number 1. 16h take away 12k. To factorize means to get the common factor outside the bracket and leave the rest inside the bracket. Okay, so to factorize, to get the common factor means you need to find out what is common for both of them. So here we have 16h and 12k. So if you can find the highest common factor for both numbers, can you see 16 and 12? The highest common factor would be 4. That is absolutely fine. So you put the 4 here, h and k, both of them are different, then open the bracket, and then what is left inside the bracket is 4h minus 3k. And that's it. So this is called a fully factorized expression. But there are cases when it is hard to find the highest common factor straight away, and sometimes we miss a factor. We either leave it outside of the bracket, which means it's not fully factorized, or there's an extra one inside the bracket again, and that means it's not fully factorized, and you might miss a point in your test. So how do we make sure that then the factorization is complete, fully, like we say? So this is what I would advise. So 16h, I'm going to express this as a multiplication of the factors 4 times 4. Now, why I choose 4 times 4 and not 8 times 2? Because I see the 12 here, so I can use the 3 and the 4 there. And then write the next one, h minus 3 times 4 for the 12 times the k. Equals. And then now I see on both sides which factor is common. I have 4 here, 4 there. Why don't you put a little dot? And then just to make it visual, another 4. I don't have another 4. I have h. No, here I have k. So the only factor that goes outside the bracket is going to be the 4. And then open the bracket. What is left inside the bracket is the ones that you didn't underline. All right, so it's going to be 4h minus 3 and a k on the other side, and you see, and of course we end up having the same result. Next one, 8abc plus 6ebd minus 14bce. Again, 3 different terms here, a variety of letters or variables. So how do I find the common factors for 3 terms? And again, I have the 8 and a 6 and a 14. All right, so I'm going to use 2 times 4, so I can have a 2 here. Yeah, 2 times 4 for 8, so 2 times 4, and leave ABC as it is. So you can still, the ABC means A times B times C, because there's no powers of 2, so leave it as it is. Plus, I express 6 as 2 times 3 EBD, minus I express the 14 as 2 times 7 BCE. And then I look for common factors. I have a 2 here, a 2 there, but all of them are common. Okay, do I have a 4? No, I don't. Look at the next factor. Start always from the first term. A here, not A here, not A there. B here, B here, B there. Fantastic. Let's put a little dot under the B. B, B, and a B. I have a C here, not C here, one C there. That means it's not common. And then not E, E here, E there, but not E here. So I think we're done with finding the common factors. So you can see now the ones that we underlined or put the little dot underneath are going to be 2B. So 2B must be outside the bracket. And then open the bracket. What is left outside the bracket for the first term? 4AC. 4AC plus 3ED. Okay, 3ED minus, I have 7CE here, 7CE, right? And then again, have a look, have the last look inside the bracket, and you see if there is maybe a common factor. So I don't have AC, ED, no common factors. 4, 3, and 7 are all different, no common factors. So this is the final answer, and this is called a fully factorization, or to factorize fully, right? To not leave any common factor inside the bracket. Next one, 6m t to the power of 2 minus 3pt plus 2t. Again, I have a 3 and a 2 and a 6 here, so I'm going to express 6 as a multiplication of 3 and a 2. So 3 times 2 times m times t. Now I'm going to express the t to the power of 2 as t times t, because I can see a t and a t there, minus 3pt, leave it as it is, and plus 2t equals. And then look for common factors. I have a 3 here, but not 3 here. I have a 2 here. Put a little dot, a 2. I don't have a 2 here, I'm sorry, not 2, so the 2 doesn't make sense. No. So m, no m, t. Just the t then. Just the t. The t is the only common factor that we have to put outside the bracket. And then what is left inside? 3 to m. Yes, so 3 to m, so it's going to be 6m t minus 3p plus 2. There you go, 6mt minus 3p plus 2. So we didn't need to do this factorization here because it's 3 and a 2. Right, so 6mt minus 3p plus 2. And they are not, there's no common factor in any of them. It's in all of them. So again, this is called to factorize fully. So the whole idea of expressing the terms as a product of the common factor is so that we don't make mistakes like this one here that I just almost made. So it's just to be careful to factorize fully without leaving any common factors inside the bracket. Right, and here you have many examples to work independently. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.